We are at the airport now. I'm gonna miss my mom a lot. I think that's the only reason why, that's the only thing that I'm gonna miss about Houston. And my friends too, all you guys watching this from Houston. But this is my stuff right here. My whole life for the next 3 months is right there. It's my backpack, my headrest thing, the pillow, and then there's the big backpack. There's my water bottle. There's a camera.
The last hug for a couple months. Our over-under is 1.5 months. We give the kids 6 weeks.
Guys, check it out. So this guy over here, I'm gonna put the camera on him. His name is Ton. I used to work with him. It's kind of funny because I didn't know that he works at the airport. That's Ton. I'm gonna say what's up to him. Watch, he'll recognize me. That's funny. It's for the YouTube channel.
What's up, dog?
What's up?
Can I see your passport?
Yeah. And then I worked as a delivery driver at the same time for the, do you know Mencius Hunan Garden next to Aldi? Yeah. Yeah, I worked there. Okay, you guys, now Travis and I just finished checking in. We spoke with Ton, as you can see, someone that I used to work with at a Vietnamese restaurant.
Such a coincidence.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Such a coincidence.
So we're going to, what gate did he say?
D5, we're right
D5, all right, gate D5 right here.
We gotta go through security.
I'm gonna shut off the camera so we don't have any problems. See you guys on the other end.
So I'm gonna tell this story to the camera just because of like how ridiculous this is. So I was freaking out so much before coming on this plane ride. Like I was at this bar with my parents and like my nose just started gushing blood out of nowhere just because I was freaking out. I don't know, I guess I'm like just really stressed or something, but we're good now, we're in the airport. Just waiting, got a little bit less than an hour till takeoff. This is a real smile. I'm not worried anymore, I'm just ready. So you got, wait, how did you get a medical prescription?
We are currently
like a resident
in Taiwan. We are waiting to board our next flight. We went through the security check because they make you do another one apparently, and I'm gonna spit my gum out. Someone told me that I shouldn't chew gum in my videos. I'm doing this for you. I love gum. So right now we're chilling. We're the only people. We might be early, I'm not sure, but there's an upstairs section right over here, and there's a little waiting area where there's a bunch of people. But then Travis and I decided to go through the waiting area down these stairs, and now we're in this second little section right here, and there's literally no one in here. Right over here is the check-in area right there. It says gate C8, and we're going to Bali. In small letters it says Bali over there. There's this crazy thing that happened on the plane. I'm gonna tell you this story about the plane real quick. So Travis and I were on the plane. We were on the airplane, okay? The airplane is taking off. It's normal, everything's normal. There's a little bit of turbulence. And once it hits the clouds, not even 5 minutes of being in the air, lightning strikes our plane. And you can see like this big orange burst, and it's loud too. It sounds like lightning like struck us. And we look out the window, it's dark, you can't see anything, but it's just orange. First it's blue because you see the lightning, and then it's just a bunch of orange outside, so you can tell something caught on fire. But I was totally cool about it for the first minute because my family, I don't know if you guys are religious or anything, but I am. Right before I left, I prayed with a bunch of family members over the phone, my grandma, my just everyone, a lot of people I prayed with, my family. I knew I was covered, I knew I was safe, so there was nothing to worry about. But when that lightning struck the plane, it was so, like, I wasn't scared at first. Travis looked, and I mean, he was freaking out when it happened. He's like, oh my God, we're gonna die. And there was a bunch of people on the other side of the plane. They were all freaking out, speaking Mandarin, saying stuff, like kind of screaming. And then the flight attendants, one of the flight attendants, or a few of them, the ladies, they ran to the back and then grabbed the phone and started talking. And then once she picked up the phone, I was kind of like starting to think, I'm not gonna die from a plane ride. I have so much more to accomplish. I can't go like this. This is not how I'm supposed to go. And I knew I was covered because my family, we all prayed and everything, so I knew there was nothing to worry about. After it sunk in, a few minutes later, my heart started racing, and I was thinking, there's a reason for everything. So I'm gonna take this as an experience, as a wake-up call, because I know you can be here today and gone tomorrow. Maybe it was just a sign to show me life is extremely valuable, and it's not something that we're given every day. It's something that we're blessed with every day. So I think you should try to make the best out of every day. You don't know when your last day is gonna be. So just make sure to appreciate life. Here's a little audio clip right here.
Yeah, I saw like the big flash from it. I didn't see like the actual bullet.
Okay, but I hear really big sound. Like,
Oh yeah, we heard that too.
Not every day is promised, so yeah. Let's get on with the interview with Travis. He's over there. I'm gonna interview him before we arrive in Bali. So,
What you got?
first question is, how are you feeling about this trip?
How am I feeling?
Happy, sad, scared?
I mean, the only scary part really was the lightning hitting the plane. That was a little sketchy.
Yeah.
But other than that, it was a breeze. 16-hour flight. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse than it was, and it was easy. It was a piece of cake.
Okay, what are some of the things that you're afraid of? Like worried
this
about?
trip?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say I've got doubts. I would say the biggest thing I'm scared of or worried about is not like living up to what like I know I'm capable of. I'm out here for a reason. I didn't just work my freaking butt off for months saving up money to go on this trip for no reason, you know.
Yeah, just to blow all that money away.
Yeah, absolutely. Like that'd be my biggest fear, really, is just wasting 2 months out of my life, I guess, you know. But like I don't think that'll happen.
Okay, what are you looking forward to? What are you looking forward to doing?
I'm looking forward to just learning about the cultures, trying the food, just seeing stuff that I've never seen before, meeting people I've never met before. I've been on this earth going on 20 years now, and there's so much I haven't seen, you know. I just love traveling and seeing new stuff, meeting new people, tasting new food, experiencing new things.
And that's what I think this channel is great for. I'm going to be showing all you guys, like my family who's watching right now, maybe Travis's family's watching, maybe our friends that are watching. We want to show you guys what, not necessarily what you're missing out on, but what you'll be able to see and how exciting things are, so that you get inspired to actually want to step out of your comfort zone. For the last question, what are you hoping this trip does for you? What are you hoping to get out of it?
How did I know this was gonna be in it? Okay, I hope that this trip is going to open my horizons a little bit, both in my mind and in life, you know. Maybe meet a few people along the way, make some connections I didn't have before, get things going. You know, I just really hope I'm trying to practice gratitude a little bit more. I told myself for 2019 I was going to practice gratitude a whole lot more, and I think I'm in a good place for that. It's going to help me to just kind of connect things in my brain. Why I'm doing this is to help figure out who I am and what I like, and you know.
Yeah, that was a great response. Those were all great responses. Now, we will follow up with this video maybe 2 or 3 months from now, because this is just a little preview. I'm gonna put this in the vlog so you can get a preview of how Travis is right now and how he's going to be. That's it for now. We're just gonna wait to board our plane over there. Yeah, hello Katie. These too. How do you feel about this Hello Kitty? Look at that face. You look all mad. Hello Kitty pillows. More Hello Kitty on TV. I'm so excited.
Do you want to be in our video?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, put him on.
Enjoy buddy. Enjoy buddy, bye brother.
We made it past the security check. Everything's good. Now we're trying to figure out how to get out. Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Sorry it took so long. It's okay if we get you a drink first? Okay.
Cheers to you, boy.
Cheers.
Yeah, let the expert take care of it here.
Bartender.
Yeah,
Bartender. Yeah. 83,000, I think it was.
For all three?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the ride. We'll see you tomorrow,
brother.
Yeah.
United States.
Yeah.
A month. We're gonna be here a month.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Can you turn the AC on? Thank you, my guy.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Daniel. Your name?
Good day.
You see that? So hot. We'll get used to this though. I know we will.
I'm so used to Texas heat.
Alright, Travis is whining right now, saying it's hot.
I'm fucking burning up.
It is burning. You can tell by my face because it's just red, but
So
it's
hot.
tolerable. For me, it's tolerable.
Bro.
We can pretend the time has stopped.